Good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to English class, children. Okay. In previous class, we have gone with our third lesson, textual exercises, right? Okay. Till where we have discussed, children, till page number 29 in studio. Now open page number 30, studio. Okay. Page number 30, children. What is there? See, first there is a box given, children. Tree plus s, trees. Okay, like this they have given tree plus s. That means here this one is singular and we are adding s to the plural and it's become as trees. Okay, like that, like those plural forms will take the s. You have to write two examples. Already they have given bags, plants. Okay, plants, like this they have given tree plus s, trees, bags, plants. And next one, see, bus. Bus in plural form we will add because here the word is ending with the s. The words which ends with ch, sh, x, s, we will add es in plural form, isn't it? That means we have to write es. Now buses. Okay, buses. Like this you have to write two more plural forms which will take the es in their plural forms. Okay, right, children? Bushes. Okay, bushes. And next, churches. Okay, buses, bushes, churches. Okay, next one, leaf, children, leaf. What will happen to leaf, children, in plural form? This f we have to leave it and we have to add vs. Okay, we have to cross this f, take off this f and we have to write leaves, leaves. Okay, leaves, leaf. Like that, write two more plural forms, children. Wolf, wolves. Okay, wolves. And next one more is there, thief, thieves. Okay, children, like this you have to write. One more is there, lady. Lady means the word is ending here with y, children. We have to take out this y and we have to write ies in plural form. How it will be now? See, ladies, ladies. And candy, candies also. Candy also will end with y only, no? Candies. Okay, candy, candies. And duty, duties. Okay, duties, duties. Now read, children, along with me, everyone. Trees, bags, plants, buses, bushes, churches, leaves, wolves, thieves, ladies, candies, duties. Like this you have to write and you have to fill that box, children. And next, see, read these sentences aloud. Which sentence talk about more than one sheep? Tick your answer, give your responses. See, children, here they have given two sentences. What are they? Okay, see these two sentences, children. Here the sheep are in the barn. The sheep is in the barn. Okay, that means here two different sentences. Here sheep and sheep is same, children, but the verbs are changing here. Here we have written are and here we have written is. Now what is the difference? Which sentence is telling about more than one sheep, children? First sentence, because already we have know that if more than one is there, we will use the verb form are. If single one number, okay, then we will use is. Isn't it? That means the sheep are in the barn is more and the sheep is in the barn is only one sheep. Okay, that means you have to tick here in the first box. Okay, now see the difference, children. Here sheep, if the sheep is singular or plural, both in plural form and singular form we are calling a sheep. but we are not calling as sheets. Okay, like that some words will be there, children. Let's see those words. The noun sheep is the same in the singular and plural form. Here are examples of nouns that are same in the singular and plural form. See, fish, fish, deer, deer, aircraft, aircraft, moose, moose. Okay, while most nouns takes their plural forms with a few simple changes, such as adding an s or es to the end of the words. Some nouns do not follow this rule. Such nouns are called irregular nouns. That means, see children, some nouns will be there. Those nouns we can easily change them into plural forms by adding s or es, like book and books. Okay, pen, pens. Like this we can add s or es to the nouns and we can change them into plural, into singular into plural, children. But coming to some nouns, it will not change like that. Okay, those nouns can be called as irregular plurals. These are regular, children. These are regular. Regular, these are regular plurals. That means we can add simply s or es to the forms. But some will be there, such as see, man and man. See here, man and man. Here what happened, children? Here we changed a into e, then it became plural. Yes or no? If one person is there, we will call man, and one more than one is there, means we will call man. But here we are not adding any s or es to that noun. That's why these plural forms can be called as what? Irregular plurals. Okay, some more are there in your book. Read, children, those. See, irregular plurals: man, man, woman, woman, goose, geese, child, children, foot, feet, die, dice, tooth, teeth, mouse, mice. Okay, children, these are the irregular plurals. Remember what they are? Irregular plurals. That means irregular plurals means we will not add any s or es to the plural forms, but we will internally change the spellings. Okay, those can be called as what? Irregular plurals. Okay, see here some they have given. Read the following examples to understand the uses of irregular plurals. Okay, singular and plural also they have given, children. The fairy took my fallen tooth. Okay, and here plural form, the fairy took my fallen teeth. Okay, tooth and teeth here. Okay, irregular plurals what they are? Tooth and teeth. And next see, the child entered the dark cave. The children entered the dark cave. Okay, here child and children. Okay, next see, the mouse ate quickly, the mice ate quickly. Okay, mouse and mice. These are the irregular plurals, children. And here 3b companion 3b, it's I'll give that as your homework, children. 3c, it is an activity. No need now. We will go with that one in later. Now everyone see in page number 31 only, there itself. See 3.6 everyone. See children, read that one. 3.6, discuss with partner and describe the food habits of any two living beings from the given list. Use the plural forms of the nouns along with the appropriate verbs. That means you have to discuss with your partner how two living beings will eat. Okay, and you have to discuss about their food habits also. Okay, and you have to form plurals of the nouns along with the verbs also. See children, sheep. What the sheep will do? Okay, what the sheep will eat? First of all, what the sheep will eat, children? Grass, wheat, plants. And man, what the man will eat? Meat, vegetables, cereals, fruits. And what the goose will eat? Green leaves, vegetables, bread, biscuits. Okay, like that you have to write, children. See, I am writing in the space they have given. No, here I am writing, everyone note down. See here, man eat fruit, vegetables and meat. That means they have given the, what they have given? Food habits of a man. But you have to write plural form of man. Plural form of man is men. Okay, M-E-N. Write down. M-E-N, man eat fruits. See here, verb, what verb we are using? Eat. Fruits, vegetables and meat. Okay, next. See, geese eat green leaf, biscuit and bread. See, geese eat green leaves, biscuits and bread. Like that you have to write, children. See, they have given eating habits of goose. What is the plural form of goose? Geese. Okay, geese eat green leaves, biscuits and bread. Okay, children, read these two sentences along with me. Man eat fruits, vegetables and meat. Geese eat green leaves, biscuits and bread. Okay, children, now turn your pages. What it is there in summary? Fill in the blanks with an example of a noun and its regular, irregular form. That means you have to fill these blanks with noun and irregular form also. That means you have to select one word which have irregular form only. See now, person. Person is singular and people. Right there in summary, person is singular and irregular. Plural is people. Write like this, person and people in summary. Okay, write down like that, children, everyone. Person and people. These two are the irregular plural forms, and already they have given one example, child and children. These two also irregular plurals only. Now take your homework, children, in 3B companion, page number 19. Open. Page number 19. Page number 19, 3B. What is there? See, rearrange the words given in brackets and fill in the blanks with the plural forms. One is done for you. That means they will give in jumbled order. The word, see here, C-I-M-E. Like this they have given. You have to write the plural form from these letters only. Mice, M-I-C-E. What is the singular form for mice? Mouse, Yes or no? Mouse. Okay, like this. See here, another are there. Those dash were making a lot of noise. Next one is people. See children, everyone. Okay, people. Those people were making a lot of noise. And next one, it is important to brush our teeth twice a day. My feet are dirty. The oxen are grazing in the farm. Okay, like that you have to complete these 5 blanks with the help of, here they have given some letters now, with that you have to complete this. And what the thing you have to do next is write the singular form of the plural nouns that you rearranged. That means here you rearranged some plural forms. To the plural forms you have to write the singular forms. See here, first one, mice, mouse, people, person, teeth, tooth, feet, foot, oxen, ox. Okay children, like that you have to do your homework and send to me in WhatsApp. Okay children, this is about today's English class. In next class let's meet. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.